Our question is, write a program to accept the name of employee, age, phone number, gender, and basic salary. Okay, only these things. Means name, age, phone number, gender, and basic salary are to be input from the user. And then we have to calculate HRA 20%. Means this is some variable, something which value will be 20% of the basic salary. Then tax 15% of the basic salary. And then we have to display salary, means net salary, along with all the details. But net salary we have to display. This is the formula to calculate the net salary. That is basic salary minus HRA minus tax. Okay, minus tax. This is the formula of the net salary. Means according to this question, we have to accept name, age, phone number, gender, and the basic salary of an employee. Then after that, we have to calculate 20% of the basic salary. Okay, then the 50% of the basic salary. If it is a 20% of the basic salary, then we have to store in the HRA, or tax we have to store as the 15% of the basic salary. And then the net salary. Means these 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 variables value we will input from the user. We will take from the user. Then the value of HRA, tax, and the net salary. These are the 3 other variables whose value we have to calculate in the program. Right? So see how we will make this program, as we are making this program by using the scanner class, because we have to make our program interactively, user friendly with the user. So import java.util.star is the first line. It is the package, util package. Star means all the classes in this util package. Then this is the class name, main method, and all you know this is what scanner object, scanner sc new equals to scanner dot system in. You can make any other object also. Name means System.out.println a detail of the employees. Then the enter the name of employee. So string name equals to sc.next. This is the name of employee. Then enter the age of employee. So sc.nextFloat. Okay, in the float I am taking the age. You can take in the int also. Okay, then because I want to tell you how to accept the float value. So next float is the method to accept the value of the float data type, and the next is the method to accept the one word only. Okay, only the one word in the string, one word of a string, right? If I want to accept one sentence, then I would have used over here next line. Then the phone number, you cannot use phone number as the int. Okay, because int cannot hold the 10 digits. So long, always use the long for the phone number. So that's why next long is the method to accept the value of the long data type. Then I want to accept the gender of the employee. So next dot care at 0. This is the syntax to accept the one letter, one character only. Then the salary I'm accepting in the integer. You can accept in double also. But here I want to tell you how to accept the integer value. That's why here I'm using next int for the integer variable cell. Now this is cell is the basic salary. This cell variable I have declared for the basic salary. Now here I'm calculating HRA. Okay, what is the HRA? Cell multiplied by 0.20. Okay, 20%, right? Tax is what? 15%. To avoid the calculation mistake, I'm using percent is what? 20 divided by 100. So I can write it 0.20. So that I have written. Then the net salary also I have calculated. Cell minus HRA minus tax. Okay, then as in the last program also I have shown you, this is the label. In this line I am displaying the labels only. Name, age, phone number, gender, and the salary. Okay, Then this is the name, age, phone number, gender, and the salary. Then in the next line, I'm displaying the tax, HRA, and the net salary. The tax, HRA, and the net salary. See, this is the green color is the label. Okay, and this without the green color, these are the variables. So for this label, for the salary, what variable I have used? Cell. For the gender, what variable I have used? Gen. For the phone number, I have used phone. For the age, I have used age. For the name, I have used name. Like that tax, this tax tax. HRA, this HRA is the variable. Net salary, I have used this net sal variable. So accordingly, I will write these variables according to the labels. Now here I'm displaying no syntax error. Now I'm executing this. Void main. Enter the name of employee like I'm entering. Age in the float also I can enter. Phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Gender, then salary, see that name, age, phone number, gender. These are the values of these above variables, above labels. Then these again are the labels and these are the values. Okay, calculated values. It is 20%, 15%. This is the 20%, 15%, and this is after the deduction, net salary. So now the variable table for this, how you will make the variable table? You will make this variable table on your own. See that you write it. I explain you how to make the variable table. Again, I am explaining. Variable table means as many as variable you have used, all these variable you have to write. Right? So what the variables I have used? This. See that first variable is name. So I will write name. Okay, first I'm giving the label. See that variable table, serial number, name of variable, name, data type. This is variable name, data type, description. And at the first you can write serial number also. One. First of all, I have taken name, so I will write name. Then data type of the name is string. Okay, what is the string? To accept the value of employee. Right? Like that. Second one, age, then phone number. So like that you will write these variable name and their data type and use of these variables. Right? See the program again. Okay. That's all.